Hello friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Vigyan Shala. We have already discussed the question answers of previous 3 chapters. Today we are going to solve the question answer of chapter 4, that is heat. But before we start the question answer, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it and press the bell icon for all the notification so you may get all notification of this channel, through which you will be able to take advantages of all these videos of science subject content. Let's start the question answer. Our first question is, state similarities and differences between the laboratory thermometer and clinical thermometer. First of all, we will discuss the similarities. Number 1, both are used to measure the temperature. Second is, both are made up of glass. Third similarity is, mercury is used in both thermometer. Now we will read about the differences. For this you have to draw 2 columns in your copy. One side you will write laboratory thermometer and second side clinical thermometer. First point of laboratory thermometer, it has temperature range from -10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. While in clinical thermometer, it has temperature range from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Second point, in laboratory thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of different objects in laboratory and factories. Second point, in clinical thermometer, it is used to measure the temperature of human body. Next, question number 2, give 2 examples of each conductors and insulators of heat. Answer is, example of conductors of heat, first is copper and second is iron. Next, example of insulators of heat, first is plastic and second is wood. Our next question is, fill in the blanks. A is given, the hotness of an object is determined by its temperature. Second, fill in the blanks, temperature of boiling water cannot be measured by a clinical thermometer. Third, fill in the blanks is, temperature is measured in degree Celsius. Next, fill in the blanks, no medium is required for transfer of heat by the process of radiation. A cold steel spoon is dipped in a cup of hot milk. Heat is transferred to its other end by the process of conduction. Next, fill in the blanks, cloths of dark colors absorb more heat better than cloths of light colors. Question number 4, match the following. Column 1 has, land breeze blows during. Second, sea breeze blows during. Third, dark colored cloths are preferred during. Fourth, light colored cloths are preferred during. In column B is given, A is summer, B is winter, C is day and D is night. Let's match the column. Land breeze blows during the night, sea breeze blows during the day, dark color cloths are preferred during winter, light color cloths are preferred during summer. Next, question number 5, discuss why wearing more layers of clothing during winter keeps us warmer than the wearing just one thick piece of clothing. Answer of question number 5 is, wearing more layers of clothing during the winter keeps us warmer than the wearing just one thick piece of clothing, because more air gets trapped inside the multiple layer of clothing than a single thick piece of clothing. This air prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surrounding, so we feel warm in it. Next, question number 6, look at this figure, mark where the heat is being transferred by conduction, by convection and by radiation. We know that the utensil is made of steel and it is a solid object. The heat is transferred from the hotter end to the colder end of a solid object is known as conduction. And when no medium is required for the transfer of heat by the process of radiation. So the heat of the burner will transfer through the radiation. And in liquid and gases, the mode of heat of transfer is known as convection. So here in this pot, the heat is being transferred by convection. Next, in question number 7, in place of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of houses be painted white. Explain. The answer is, in places of hot climate, it is advised that the outer walls of the houses be painted white because white color absorbs less amount of the heat as compared to other colors. Therefore, the temperature of inside the house will not increase much. Next question number 8. 1 liter of the water at 30 degrees Celsius is mixed with the 1 liter of water of at 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature of the mixture of will be option A 80 degrees Celsius, B more than 50 degrees Celsius but less than 80 degrees Celsius, C 20 degrees Celsius, and D between 30 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. We know very well heat is always transferred from the hotter to colder. So answer will be D between 30 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Question number 9. An iron ball at 40 degrees Celsius is dropped in a mug containing water at 40 degrees Celsius. The heat will A. Flow from the iron ball to water, B. Not flow from iron ball to water, or from water to iron ball, C. Flow from the water to iron ball, D. Increase the temperature of both. Here in this objective, both are having same temperature, so there will be no transfer of heat. The answer will be not flow from the iron ball to water or from water to iron ball. Question number 10. A wooden spoon is dipped in a cup of ice cream. Its other end A. becomes cold by the process of conduction, B. becomes cold by the process of convection, C. becomes cold by the process of radiation, D. does not become cold. We know here wooden spoon is best conductor of heat, so answer will be does not become cold. Next objective, question number 11. Stainless steel pans are usually provided with the copper bottom. The reason for this could be that A. Copper bottom makes the pen more durable, B. Such pens appears colorful, C. Copper is a better conductor of the heat than the stainless steel, D. Copper is easier to clean than the stainless steel. We know copper is the good conductor of heat, so here answer is C. Copper is a better conductor of heat than the stainless steel. Today we discuss the question answer of chapter 4. I hope you have understood the answer of all the questions very well, and now it will be easy for you to remember it. We will meet soon in next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching this video.